Tired of making rice because you've got to stir it, strain it, and it still comes out wrong, overcooked and stuck together, and a pan you want to throw away? Hi, Chef Daniel Green here with Rice Robot, the 1-2-3 rice cooker. That's right, 1 add the white cup for rice, 2 add the blue cup for water, 3 click to cook it. It even shuts off when it's done. Now you can make any rice perfectly. White, brown, sushi, jasmine, pilaf, even couscous and cauliflower rice. Foolproof every time. Rice Robot is so smart it won't burn, undercook or overcook. The secret is we've done all the measuring for you, and Rice Robot does all the cooking for you. There's nothing else like it. Look, boiling a bag is a drag. But how about an egg fried chicken rice meal for the whole family in just minutes? And cleanup's a breeze thanks to the super non-stick interior. And it's even metal utensil and dishwasher safe. Watch this. Add rice, water, olive oil, salt, 1 large tomato in the center, click it, cook it, and look, amazing Mediterranean rice that's just bursting with flavor. It's a gourmet rice meal that will cost you just pennies. And it does so much more than just rice. What about a fabulous no-stir risotto? Wow, you could be in Italy. Throw in turkey, rice, vegetables, potatoes, broth, and bring leftovers back to life. Rice Robot is compact and fits into any small space or cupboard. It's great for apartments, dorm rooms, and workspaces. Rice Robot, the 1-2-3 rice cooker.